So we're going to answer as many questions as we can in 60 seconds, so you get to learn a little bit more about us.
A quick fire Q&A.
Hello, welcome to Sabbs in 60 seconds. We're here with James, our Sabb. Hi James.
Hi.
Right, who's going to count down? 1 minute. As many questions as you can answer.
Helen's got it.
60 seconds are on the clock.
Go. What's your name?
James.
Favourite place in Bangor?
I don't know, I like the cathedral.
Favourite band?
Zed.
Okay. If you had a superpower, what would it be?
The ability to stop time.
Worst job you've ever had?
I worked in Primark for 2 years.
Best job you've ever had?
Here.
Board game or video games?
Video games.
Ever broken a bone?
No.
Tell us a fun fact about yourself.
I used to compete nationally in video games.
Tell us something you've done in work this week.
I started work on developing a society skill firm.
Any hidden talents?
Not particularly, no.
One thing you always keep in the house?
My computer.
Do you play an instrument?
No, but I've tried.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
If you could have anyone famous to dinner, who would it be?
I don't know. Charles Darwin.
Well done, James. We feel like we know you a lot better now. Thank you. So, welcome to Sabbs in 60 seconds.
Da da da.
Let's start the countdown.
60 seconds on the clock.
Go! What's your name?
Tatenda.
How many pairs of shoes do you own?
Oh my god. Oh, over 10 pairs. I don't know.
Anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Zimbabwe.
What colour's your toothbrush?
I've got multiple. Purple, blue, white. Yes, name the colour.
Favourite sport?
Basketball.
Roman camp or pier?
Pier.
Favourite place to eat in Bangor?
Blue sky.
Did you ever have braces?
No.
Dream job?
Oh god. Something working in sports development.
Favourite subject in school?
PE.
Instrument?
Piano. I've got big hands.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Oh, to be able to fly.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
Books or films?
Books or films? Films.
Best news you've ever received?
I got elected.
Something you've done in work this week?
We started working on varsity this week.
Someone you look up to?
Jay-Z.
Oh, and that's time.
Oh, 16 seconds. Oh, 17 questions even.
Nice.
Well done,
How many did
Tatenda.
you
Thank
get?
you very much. Next up on Sabbs in 60 seconds. We got you. Okay. Have we got 60 seconds on the
There are
clock?
60 seconds on the clock.
Okay, let's go. What's your name?
Helen.
What do you have for breakfast?
Kiwi.
Favourite colour?
Green.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Roman camp or pier?
Pier.
Favourite subject in school?
PE.
Instrument?
Saxophone.
What colour's your toothbrush?
Green.
What's one thing you always keep in the house?
Pesto.
Favourite perfume?
Favorite perfume. Ghost.
If you went to Sabb, what would you be doing right now?
Volunteering.
What are you scared of?
Needles.
One thing you've done this week in work?
Course of training.
Favourite band you were when you were younger?
Queens of the Stone Age.
Ever broken a bone?
No.
If you had a superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation.
Favourite place to visit?
Pembrokeshire.
What annoys you the most?
Loud eaters.
Favourite place to eat in Bangor?
Blue sky.
How do you like your tea?
With honey.
What would you bring to a desert island?
My inhaler.
Morning or night?
Middle of the day.
Most embarrassing moment as a Sabb?
When I reveal the winner of the SLTA without meaning to.
And that's
Oh.
time. That's
Oh,
time.
well done, Helen. You answered 23 questions. Boom. Right, Mirang, settled in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start Sabbs in 60 seconds. We've got 60 seconds on the clock.
There are 60 seconds on the clock.
Okay, let's go. What's your name?
Mirai.
Books or films?
Books.
One thing on your bucket list.
New Zealand.
Favourite animal?
Cats.
What would you bring to a desert island?
A boat.
One thing you've done in work this week.
With Shemai, Welsh week.
Roman camp or pier?
Roman camp.
What annoys you the most?
My brothers.
What were you best at in school?
History.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Any hidden talents?
No.
If you could have anyone famous for dinner, who would it be?
Marilyn Monroe.
Favourite book?
Umbrella Thread.
If you had a superpower, what would it be?
To travel in time. Like, you know, time travel.
Do you talk in your sleep?
I don't know, yes.
Favourite place to visit?
Roman camp.
Where is the worst place you could get stuck?
A lift.
Afraid of anything?
No, snakes.
And that's time.
Oh, well done, Mirain. 18 questions. Yes, well done.
Bravo.
Thank you very much, Mirain. Thank you very much, Sabbs. Hi, Sabbs.
Hello, how's it going?
Thanks for answering those questions.
You're welcome.
I feel like I know
Chris.
you a lot more now.